Hi Achara, and welcome back to another Irish video. In this video we're going to be focusing in on 20 words for 20 different amenities in the Irish language. And it's very possible that you'll be able to use the same words to describe your own village, town or city in the Irish language. The post office, Oifig an phoist. A church or a temple, Séipéal nó teampall. Schools, Scoileanna. Nurseries, Naíonraí. Primary schools, Bunscoileanna. Secondary schools, Meánscoileanna. And community colleges, Coláistí pobail. The town centre, Lár an bhaile. The local museum, an iarsmalann áitiúil. A park or parks, plural, Páirc nó páirceanna. Swimming pool, Linn snámha. Football field, Páirc pheile. Fitness centre, Ionad aclaíochta. Golf course, Cúrsa gailf. The cinema, an phictiúrlann. The theatre, an amharclann. The shopping centre, an Ionad siopadóireachta. Restaurant or restaurants, plural, Bialann nó bialanna. Pub or pubs, plural, taverna nó cycle on the bicycle path, ag rothaíocht an raon rothaíochta. Agus sin é a chairde. I hope you enjoyed this short video. To be part of our online Irish community, please be sure to join us at letslearnirish.com. By Páirc.